What's going on, everybody? Day 12. It's 9:36 in the morning, market open. My pre-market analysis for today is, so far I'm looking for sells. It seems like right here, as you can see, the structure is holding up very nicely. Price is selling off a lot, so I'm going to be looking for some sells. But if it starts to go up and come above this 20 EMA right here, the red EMA, I'll start looking for some buys throughout the day, but let's see how it plays out. Now, there's some news later on. We have FOMC around 2 p.m. So I'm not expecting too much until then. But we'll look out for some entries, some potential opportunities. And just a quick recap on everything from yesterday. We lost $506, not too bad. We did have a green day on Monday. So let's see if we can bounce back, get another green day, and get closer to passing this challenge and getting a payout. All right. All right, so we're looking at another potential opportunity right here for the day. Price has been chopping up pretty much the whole day, but after FOMC, price is selling off really nicely right now. So I want to see if I can catch myself a sell to the downside. Price distribute very nicely. You can see right here it's positive for MSB1. So hopefully we can get ourselves an entry right here and follow that momentum and catch ourselves a win, put ourselves in the green for the day. As you can see right here, like it's very strong coming in, all the sells coming in. The chart is inverted, so these are all sells. So if you look at it right here, price is just shooting down. So we want to ride that momentum all the way down. We'd love to see it come down right here, bounce off that 20 EMA, and we can catch ourselves an entry off of that. There we go. So we see some strength coming back in right now. And we'll put our sell stop right here. See if we get tapped in. See if some strength can come back in to the downside, get tapped in right here. It's kind of just playing around right now. All right, so we're gonna cancel that position and we'll wait for it to set up again, see if we can get a better entry, a better angle on this. I'm not liking how that's looking. All right, so it's starting to come up a bit right now. So, come down a bit right now. So we'll see if we can catch ourselves an entry over here. Show a little bit more strength and we'll put our sell stop there. All right, and you can see right here it closed on that 20 EMA. We already know once it does that, we don't want to enter anymore, so we're not going to look for nothing here. We'll wait for it to keep coming down and hopefully set up another entry. That way we can get tapped in and try to catch ourselves a trade, catch ourselves a win. All right, so we have another potential opportunity right here. As you can see, price is distributing very nicely. It's pausing for that MSB1. All we want to see right here is for price to continue selling and showing that strength. We could catch ourselves an entry and put ourselves in the green for the day, hopefully. So let's see what we can do right here. Make sure we get the sizing right. Nice, a lot of strength coming in right there. Hopefully can follow through. We can catch ourselves an entry right here. So we have our position set up. Oh no, we're gonna cancel that. It came up a little bit too much, so we're gonna cancel that right there. Wait for it to set up again. Now if it continues to being bought up, we're just gonna cancel it entirely, because obviously we don't want to see it close on that 20 EMA. We want it to keep showcasing strength and following that momentum. And it's continuing to being bought up right now, so we're just going to cancel that and wait for a better opportunity to come. All right, everybody, so we finished up the day here. We're just going to do the recap right now. Unfortunately, I had to handle some very important business, so I had to step away from the computer, but I was able to catch 2 trades on my phone to finish out the day. So I'm gonna step down and show you guys what I took. So as you can see right here, price was distributing very nicely like it was all day. It's been selling off very nicely. It made a pause for that MDB1. We took a trade right there. We got entered on it. And the result of that trade was just a break even. So let me put that in there right now. We took a break even right there. All right, and then on this trade right here, we took another entry for another pause for that MSB2. It made a very nice setup right there. The price was coming in very strong. The momentum was looking nice. We took an entry on that. It shot straight up to TP. We ended up getting out around 1 to 6 RR. As you can see, it went all the way up here to 1 to 7 right there. So we moved our stop all the way up to 1 to 6, and that's where we got out on this trade right here. So we ended up making 6 RR on that one right there to put us over 2K on the challenge. So we're in, a lot of profit right now. We're getting close to passing that challenge right there. I'll show you guys right now. So as you can see right here, we're up around 2.2K. We're getting close here. Big day. We made 1.1 on the day, 1.4 on Monday. So let's finish this week strong. We're gonna trade tomorrow. We're not trading on Friday, so hopefully we can win tomorrow, finish up this challenge here. If not, we'll try to pass it next week or the following week after that. Again, so we had a good day today. Great trades, no losses today once again. Join the free Discord. The link's in the description. Join my community, join the team, be a part of us, learn, grow, communicate, be able to get in touch with me, and I can help you guys out. And I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Let's go.